Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today we're bringing you another case review for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And today, as you see here, we have the Spigen Thin Fit 360. Now, I went out and bought this on my own because this is a very popular case. Lots of people love this case, and Spigen doesn't usually send this case out when they send the review samples out. So I saw it was available, went ahead and grabbed it so I can get a review out for you guys. Now, right now, they're currently sold out all over the place. I'm not sure about Spigen, but I know on the Amazon website, they're sold out. I think this black one will be back in stock on September 5th, and the rest of the colors are like mid-September. Very popular case, so I happened to grab one up before they actually got sold out. But as you can see here, this case does come with your tempered glass screen protector. It comes with a top and a removable bottom piece with that back thin fit type plate if you're familiar with the thin fit cases. But let's go ahead and bust it open and let's see all what comes in the box. Throw that to the side. All right, let's get up in here. So this is actually the removable top. It actually go ahead and popped off, which is cool with me. I'm trying not to bust this thing completely open, but I think I'm gonna have to. All right. Okay, so here is some instructions. We're not gonna read those because I've put these on plenty times before, so it's no need to read it. Like I said, here is the tempered glass screen protector. So you see here, it does have your bottom and your top in that black color, and that's basically where your glue is going to be. So it's not anything like the Whitestone dome that I currently have up here. I won't be installing this because this and the Whitestone dome is basically about the same thing. It kind of lines up almost the exact same, so there's no reason to install that. I want to keep my Whitestone dome on, so let's go ahead and set this to the side. Not really going to mess with that. And let's take a look at the actual case itself. And of course, it comes with some wipes and everything to prep that screen protector. So here is the actual case. Like I said, thin fit 360, so it does have that thin fit matte rubberized kind of material on the back, which is a very, very nice material. Doesn't scratch really, and it really doesn't show fingerprints. And as you see, it does have your Spigen branding here. You have your cutouts for your camera and your flash and your fingerprint scanner, and everything is raised all good in that. You have that raised power button on the right side. On your bottom, here's a little bottom piece. You have your cutouts for your S Pen speaker and everything like that. On that left side, you have your volume up, volume down. You have your dedicated Bixby button. And on that top piece, it's all completely closed, and you do get a cutout for that microphone. So let's go ahead and slide this S9 Plus in, which is usually, it can go like this. It can go a bunch of different ways. Let's go ahead and clear that out. It can go a bunch of different ways, but here it is so far. Now, we might have to move it up. We might have to move it down. We'll figure out when we get the other pieces on. So let's take the bottom and let's slide this in. So snap that in. It's basically a slide in piece, so it actually pops in on the bottom. And then let's take the top. As you see, slide in piece. So we're going to slide this on the top. Boom. And it's actually popped in all the way around. So here it is, Spigen Thin Fit 360 for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And this actually feels very, very good on the phone. I can actually tell you this is a nice case right offhand. So let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at feel of these buttons. So that power button there, nice and tactile, no issues whatsoever. Let's go ahead and unlock it and do that volume up. No issues there. Volume down. Hitting that Bixby button, no issues there as well. Flipping on the bottom, all of your cutouts, as you see, are spot on, no issues whatsoever. Popping that S Pen out, very easy to get to, not a struggle. Top, like I said, you get that cutout on the back. Your cameras are recessed in there, so you should be good if you lay it on the back. Don't got to worry about damaging your camera or anything like that. Next, let's take a look at the lay on the table protection. As you see, it does have a very nice lip on the top and a very nice lip on the bottom. And as you see, it is compatible with the Whitestone dome tempered glass screen protector. So as you see here, I didn't install the Spigen included screen protector. I still have my Whitestone dome up there, and it fits perfect. And don't worry about these little stress marks. That was caused by something else. That was caused by another case, and it wasn't this case, but it fits absolutely fine with the Whitestone dome. So if you get this case and you don't want to use the included screen protector, get yourself a Whitestone dome and you're all good to go. So everything is cool. Lay on table protection, screen protector fits fine. Everything is good in that category there. Next, how does it actually fit on the phone? It actually fits very, very good. I always say you have to do a bunch of tugging And you can see my fingers. You got to do a ton of tugging to actually get these top and your bottom pieces off. When it's up there, this case is up there. It's not meant to be taken on and off. So technically, it really isn't good for a person like me who does case reviews. But I'm telling you, if I didn't do case reviews and required a case to be on and off, I definitely could use this as my daily job because it fits very, very good. The feel in hand feels very good, keeps a very thin profile as you see here, and it basically offers 360-degree protection. You got top, your bottom, everything is covered out, and you have that, screen protector, that screen protector coverage with the Whitestone or the Spigen branded screen protector. Now, last but not least, does this work with wireless charging? So let's go ahead and drop the phone on a charger. Boom. And as you see, it does work with wireless charging. So once again, this is the Spigen Thin Fit 360. Now this case does come in a few different colors. You can have this black color, or you can go with a blue color, and you can go with a lavender color. So you probably can get a blue to match the blue Note 9, and then you can order that lavender to match that purple or whatever color that is Note 9 that's out there. Now this case will run you $17.99 over on Amazon. So if you want this case, definitely go ahead and place your order. Like I said, right now they are sold out on Amazon, but the sooner you order, the sooner you'll be able to get the case, man, because this is a very, very nice case, and I really do like it. Feels excellent. Spigen always does an excellent job when it comes to the Spigen Thin Fit 360. But as always, I will drop the link to all three colors down in the description below. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, guys. Comment, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.